Is that your name, Alex Youngblood?
Yeah.
What do we have here? Look like another 6-liter. Oh, it's extended cab. Oh, with crappy running boards. The running boards are junk. We have to take those off. I can't do those. Let's see what he's got going on here. Look how he moves this around. It's windy out here. That is our next truck. Joey's bringing it in to give it a little clean up. Look, it's a nice truck. I mean, it's cab off, engine out, rebuild. We might even ceramic coat the pistons. Heck, who knows? There. There we go. Gabe is in there steering. Thank you very much, sir. Let's clean this thing up. I missed it. I missed Joey in his commanding moment. He's barking orders, isn't he? Is he barking orders? Yes. He's being kind of freaking mean, isn't he? They're gonna get underneath it on a creeper and clean it all up.
So they got it washed. We cleared the low pressure regulator. We're going to pop the filter off.
Got one of our intakes on it already.
Yep.
Look at that.
And see if it physically has oil.
Got oil in there.
Got oil in there?
That's
so that's
pretty good.
usually a pretty good sign.
Yep, and normally when you try to crank it, it would deplete that oil and not replenish it. If that's full, means we very well could have just had a low pressure regulator issue or IPR valve. I want to get it running before we rebuild it.
Or at least try.
That's fine. Okay, we're gonna see if it'll, yeah, he's got funky battery cables, so we'll see if it'll do it. I wonder if the drain back, yeah, drain back valve is in there. It's.
You ready?
Can't see nothing. I guess. We need a better charger.
You want the jump box?
Yeah, let's do it. Okay, we'll put a box on it. Let's see, go. Oh my God, it's way too dead.
Still too dead?
I can't even tell if that was enough to pump or not. Maybe getting something different. Something, anything other than this big freaking monstrosity. Okay, we got 2 turntables and a microphone. And now we're gonna go for it. I still can't tell. That's pop. That's good, that's good. I still can't tell. That could be, you hear it dragging real bad. We need to, give me the tensioner tool. Nothing on the accessory drive is screwing us up. Let's do that.
Oh, if ready, that just means it's in its cycle.
Not much.
Not much.
A little bit.
Not much. You cleaned this out. You did this already, didn't you?
Oh, I cleaned it. Yeah, but he drove it a little bit. I mean,
Well,
it's
okay.
been a long time. I'm assuming I put fresh oil in too.
No, I don't see a lot of metal. It looks pretty freaking good. Okay, I unlocked it, and let's just hope that it spins freely. Go for it. Let's try it again and see if it's an AC drive, anything, or if it's still slow. Oh, it's spinning. No, it's not. Okay, no. It is not pumping oil. Might be. Obviously, if something on the tensioner accessory drive system was locked up when the belt's loose like this, it would have just skidded across it. Now I can also go down and just make sure, just put my hands on the AC compressor and spin the pulley. Let's just spin everything and make sure everything moves. Okay, So we're gonna pull off of this and let it charge. We got a jump box, a battery charger, and a battery charger. We're gonna try to burn these batteries down. But for now, I had to loosen up the exhaust manifolds on this one and try to get this clamp lined up. Is that 13? Okay, we'll come over here. I got one more bolt in over there. I got one clamp on. So we're gonna bounce back over here and go to the other truck. Hang on. It's gonna be impossible to keep up with with what we're doing.
Ready?
I guess. Wait a minute, it hasn't rained in months. Stop. Okay, no oil pumping. So, where will we go from here, guys? Where will we go? Let's ask Julie. Julie, where are we going from here?
Low pressure pump.
What does that mean? What do we take off?
Lots of stuff.
Like what? Start naming it.
The harmonic balancer.
That's the last part we take off. Yeah.
I know.
Yeah. So now we take off this fan shroud, and ideally we take the radiator out, because when we're messing with the harmonic balancer, you really don't want to take a chance on poking a hole in the radiator. So as long as the transmission lines come off the bottom, get the radiator and get it out of there, and then we'll have plenty of room. Take the fan off, the fan stator back here, this piece, and pull the balancer off. Then pull the pump cover off, pull the pump out, and see what is
Happening.
what's stuck in there. And hopefully, hopefully it's not something down on the pickup tube or something like that. We would probably start. Don said he pulled a needle bearing out of, I think, the filter housing or the drain plug. Off the drain plug. There was a needle bearing on the drain plugs. So, all right, we're gonna go back to the 6.4 right here. We've got a little list here. We gotta take the radiator out, take the fan stator out and fan off. And then we'll figure out what's going on with this pump.